Outline of the article. Headline: Gaza under siege. Introduction. The article describes the history of the Gaza Strip, including its occupation by Israel and the ongoing blockade. The article also provides some statistics on the human cost of the siege, such as the number of Palestinians and children killed. Body. Causes of the siege. The article discusses the different reasons why Israel has imposed a siege on Gaza, including security concerns and the desire to weaken Hamas, the ruling party in Gaza. Effects of the siege on the people of Gaza. Sure. Here are some recent facts and figures of the Pakistan economy. Economic growth. GDP growth, 6.1%, FY 2022. GDP growth projection, 0.3%, 2023, and 1.9%, 2024. Inflation. Inflation rate, 31.4%, September 2023. Inflation projection, 29.2%, 2023, and 25.0%, 2024.